Mukana uyu wa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ukite kurumirira uthukangia wa mititu uria ucungiriirie njui kuhwana riera gucenjia. Undu uria thirikari ihotorete gutigirira ni wacenjia na ikaruta mukana wa utemi wa miti.
Nimeamurisha wizara ambayo inahusika na mambo ya mazingira na misitu kukomesha kukata miti katika forest yote ya serikali na ya community. For the next 90 days, we must stop all cutting of trees in all our forests.
Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ni athanite ministry ya mititu na maria maturigiceirie maikare thi kuona uria mititu ikugitirwo.
Wizara iketi chini. In the next 2 weeks, the ministry must tell the country how are we going to rectify the situation and the forest resources in this country.
Nayo kamiti ya bunge ya maria maturigiceirie ni maikitie mugambo wao makiuga hari bata mititu igitirwo hamwe na ithima cia maai. Matongoretio ni muikariri giti wao Kareke Mbiuki maugite bururi urorete kugumirwo ni thina munene kumana na wagi wa mbura kwa ihinda iraya.
We also want to continue encouraging government to do mega dams so that we can be able to avoid all these so many water intakes and weirs which are being built in our river catchment areas. If we can have one dam.
Oho Mbiuki ni uritie thirikari gutigirira riboti iria kurekereirwo ni anyititemi ni yarumirirwo niguo gwetha kihonia kaimana.
We want something which will be able to create a long-lasting solution to the current crisis which this country is facing. Maya mokite riri ministry wa maria maturigiceirie Kiria Kutobiko muthenya wa ira kuga hari bata ithima cia maai igitirwo oro undu umwe na kungethanira na aria maratema miti mititu-ini.
The agency be given the teeth, the legislative anchoring to be able to coordinate all these agencies in regard to protection of forest, in regard to protection of biodiversity situs, in regard to protection of our water towers.
Uthukangia wa mititu niguo urehete wagi wa maai guku bururi-ini na gutheremia ng'aragu na ungiaga gutangikirwo na ihenya o ta uria kwahoteka miturire ya Akenya ingi iri hatika-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Njuguna.